Hello everybody, today I'm doing a winter holiday eyeshadow tutorial. I never do blue eyeshadow, but I feel like blue is just a nice kind of wintry look. So that's what I'm doing today. I am personally using the Star Wars ColourPop palette, but you don't have to use this one. This is just the only eyeshadow palette that I have with the blues that I really wanted. I never do blue eyeshadow, so this is like the only palette that I have. So this is going to be a cut crease. I'm jumping in with the shade Starfighter. This is just like a perfect transition color for me, and I'm just putting that in the crease, going back and forth, and I'm winging that outwards. I'm starting that like cut crease template. So like I said, you don't have to use this specific palette, just use any blue eyeshadow palette that you like. And then I'm going into the shade Alliance. This is like a mauve-y kind of gray color, and again, putting that in the crease, winging it outwards to start that cut crease look. And I forgot what I was going to say. I like totally blanked out. What? Oh, I'm just deepening up the look. I'm adding a little bit of an extra shade, you know? Oh my god, I'm crazy. Anyway, now I'm going into the blue shade. This is called Rebellion, and this is a really pretty blue. It was a little bit more blue, like a bright blue, than I wanted. So I am going to be mixing that blue with the black in the palette, but just not yet. So here, I'm building up the blue, going into the crease, and don't worry if it looks bad because we're going to clean this up in just a minute here. But yeah, going back and forth, that's a Sigma E36. You have to get this brush if you have hooded eyes. It's so good. It's a small detailed blending brush. So there I added in some of the black. It's called Star Destroyer, because I wanted this to be more of like a blue navy, like a navy blue. What? Blue navy? Oh my god. This is just, you know, how my voiceovers are. So yeah, I wanted it more of a navy blue, kind of like to match my shirt a little bit, you know. So like I mentioned before, going back and forth into the crease, do not worry, we're cleaning this up right now. I took a little bit of concealer, put it on my lid, looked up, that provides the template, and then I saturate the end of my brush. That way it just glides across the lid perfectly, because if you don't have a lot of product on the brush, it's gonna like, all the wrinkles are gonna come out on your eyes, it's gonna drag. Just saturate the tip of the brush and then it just glides right across your lid. It's perfect. Look, that's my template. For all over the lid, I'm taking Kessel Run. You know, I've seen all of the Star Wars, and I don't know why Kessel Run is a thing. I don't know. But this is a beautiful shade, packing that all over the lid. It's gorgeous. It's very metallic-y. Here, I'm taking a mixture of Rebellion, which is the blue, and Star Destroyer, which is the black, and I'm just doing a little wing with my eyeshadow, nothing crazy. Love this look so far, and, you know, I don't even like blue eyeshadow, but I like this. Now it's concealer time. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, sharpening up the edge of my eyeliner, and then of course just blending out that concealer, covering up my discoloration, setting that concealer with the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder. This powder is amazing. If you have dry under eyes or if you have a lot of wrinkles underneath your eyes, that is a great, great powder. Now I'm going to line the outer half of my lower lash line with the blue, the mixture of the blue and the black, blend that out with my transition color, and then the lower lash line is donezo. Why is this clip taking forever? Anyway, moving along to my lashes. This is Ruffle by Kiss, and then Boom Bam Bing. What? This is the final look. I think it looks so good and it looks so fancy, even though it's so easy, guys. And this is a great little holiday look, the little like icy blue wintry look. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you. I will see you in my next video. Bye!